Hello everybody, peace and love, welcome to my video. I am out today with Alexi in the beautiful Oxfordshire countryside, even in October, with the roof down in this beautiful pink Figaro. Now this is not just any pink Figaro, this is a really special one. The last time I got to drive this car, it was as it was going out onto stage to open the X Factor about 2 years ago, and since then it's been in ownership. My friends owned it and no one else has been able to use it. So now the car is up for sale. We are very happy that we own it again and we have got the car for sale. It has got a beautiful, you can just about see the bonnet here, and we'll show you some other bits. It's got this beautiful pink paint job in breast cancer awareness pink. The car's been completely restored. We've done extensive metalwork and bodywork on the car and it's beautiful. So if you're interested in owning a Figaro that has been seen by more people than any other Figaro, I think there was 5 million people watched the show, so it is a super famous Figaro. If you're interested in that, then give us a shout and come and have a drive, because even this time of year you can still cruise around with the roof down and have fun. Cheers.